Good day. Welcome to Data Visualization. Today I'm going to show you how to use these three features in Excel, which is freeze, pens, speak cells, and split screen. What does those features do? Wow, a lot. They do a lot in terms of navigation. It is going to be very smooth while navigating through a very large report. Now, for the first time, let's talk about freeze pens. Freeze pens can actually make the first row to be static and the first column to be static. We have some predefined one, which is the one defined for top row that is not going to affect the first column, and the one designed for first column that is not going to affect the top row. So let us try one of it and see. Now I want to use the defined one. I can place my cursor here. Right now you see if I scroll down, everything disappears. So now I can actually go to freeze pens. You can locate that in your view. You click on freeze pens and use the okay, let's just use the first row. Now you see the first row got stuck. Retap. Now unfreeze. Now you use the first column. You can see when it goes to the right, what the first column does. You still can still move along with that. Now we have to unfreeze and actually use our custom one. Click right here and go unfreeze pens. Now the top row is actually what we want it to be, and the second one. Now you can see it is very easy for you to locate December 20 in this area voltage. Fine, that is what it is. Now the next one I'm going to be talking about is split screen. The split screen will help you to actually navigate through your reports as well. Now let's say you want to know what this one is, and you want to know what if it does correspond to the down one. Now you can't really you have to go scroll down and look at what this one is and go back through here. Instead, use your split screen. You can click on split screen right here. Now you have it. You have the system split into two. Now you have it right here. You can go down. Now you want to compare this, and this is very close. That is what this one actually does as well. Now let's say you want to you want to know, you have a report and you're working on a report, you're typing it out from your booklet. Now you want to compare the one you've typed in the system to the one you have in your booklet, if they actually correspond. What do you use? You have to use your speak cells. You can highlight where you want it to speak from and click on it.
10,800, 11,900, 9,300.
That is what it is. It doesn't only work with figures, it works with text as well. You can just highlight it and click on it.
Freeze panes, speak cells, and split screen for long reports.
That is what it is. So you can actually use that to make everything easy. Instead of you to go to your booklet and check, or your reports, you want your written that you type the system to check and come back to the system and check. You can have it read it out for you while you cross check right there. When you're not really okay with what you heard, you can pause and re-edit. So where can you get this? You can just go to your file and go to option. From option we choose customize ribbon, then we go to all commands. Then from all commands you scroll down to find where you can actually get it from, and when you scroll down you just gotta put your eyes on SP. Okay, scroll down. Now here we go, speak cells, then you click add and you click OK. You just got it in. So right now I don't really need it because I have it right here. So if you need it, just go ahead and click and actually have it there as well. So that is what it actually does. So you can see those great features in Excel that can actually make your report very easy. So thank you for watching. I'll be coming away with more tutorials on Power BI, SQL, and more on Excel as well. Please do subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming away with more and more all day long. Thanks for watching.